Hey MXCC faculty, I'm going to show you how you can make some Khan Academy style videos that might be useful while everybody is online for the next few weeks. So to do this, it's really easy. You can just open up PowerPoint and then go to slideshow. Let's see. And then we want to go to record slideshow. And you'll see it opens up this this page here, and if you have a computer with a video camera, it'll open this up. If you don't want students to see you, you can just click on this, and then that'll close the video out. And if there's a point where you want to mute, this will turn the microphone off. So then what you can do is these down here are just like your pens and your markers for coloring, and once you want to start, you can click the record button. If you want to have some graphics in here, you can just paste them into the slide before you start. And if you have some graphs or things like that that you want to talk about. And then once you want to go, you just hit record. And then you can start drawing. If you're using a mouse, it goes a little slow, a little clunky. If you have a touchscreen computer, then this might be a little easier. I can just reach up here and do something like that. Oh, sorry, my cat is right here. This is a really nice way to do some quick little video lessons if the students are having some troubles, or if you need to explain something, or if you just need to make a quick video lecture. Once you get done doing this and drawing, we got an erase button here, all that kind of stuff. Then you can just click stop, and then you can close out of the narration. And then what we want to do to turn this into a video is we're going to click on File and click on Export, and then we're going to create a video. And if you want to, you can change some of the settings here, and then you can tell it to create the video, and then you can just give it a name. Here we'll call it test, and then just click save. And what you'll notice down here is it'll say it's creating the video. It might take a little while if you made a really long video. It's just the computer working on it. But I find that it's pretty fast in Blackboard, or sorry, in PowerPoint. But if you make like a 15 or 20-minute video, you might have to let this sit for a few minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video real quick while we let this thing render and finish up. Alright, so that little video I took maybe about 45 seconds to render. You can also turn down the quality. I think that'll probably change how long it takes it to be ready to go. So then you can just go into the folder that you saved it and test and make sure that it looks okay. Alright, so that looks good. So from there we can upload this video so that our students can see it. One thing I do recommend is using an external microphone. So like right now I'm just using like a headphone set with a microphone on it like you would use on a cell phone. That works pretty well. You can use the computer's microphone as well, but it might sound a little more staticky. The other thing you can do is what I'm doing right now is I'm using PowerPoint's screen recording option. So you could actually use this to record like anything that you do on screen. So if you want to show the students, like if you want to show them what you expect them to do on like PowerPoint, or sorry, not on PowerPoint, but like on Blackboard, like if you put up a bunch of new things and you just want to like show them what you expect them to do, you can use this screen recording option. And the way you do that is you go into Insert, and then there's an option here for screen recording. I'm using it right now, so it won't let me click on it. But once you do that, it'll pop up with a screen that looks like this. You can select the area, so you don't have to have your entire computer shown. You can like select just the area you want the students to see. There'll be a record button. Click on the record button, and then once you're done, you hit the stop button right here. After you stop it, in order to save it as a video, what you want to do is right-click on the video. And again, I can't do it right here because it's I'm recording currently in it. But if you right-click on the video and then click Save Media, then you can save that as a video. So hopefully these things are helpful and are useful for you as you're working on the online classes.